upside down.
Oh, I see that.
Trying again. Timing it too, Joe, so I know. Oh, 3.
Should be on the recorder anyway, won't it?
Getting low now. Whoa. I'll do the low fly up to the bush. Ready to duck in case I don't get it right. It's scary when you try to do the upside down. Everything goes backwards.
Yeah. Gets along quick, eh?
We gotta go past the season too. Upside down, there you go. Oh, which way am I going on the upside down? Oh crap, I've lost it. Jeez, I lost it. I didn't know where I was then.
You're pulling up's not the right way, mate.
Wow. Coffee now, eh?
I think we need the petrol one out just quietly.
Yep, nitro one's next. Got this electric one, sus. Let's get the neighbour's dogs going. Flight to Ruby's and back. You reckon?
I reckon you lose the horizon, man.
Through the valley, through the gap,
That's quite cool, eh?
around the island. We do a glider. I do a glide by.
How does more is it than the scooter, man?
Engine's probably off. Started to
Start to drop, eh?
drop, yeah. I'll do a climb up and I'll do a shot off from up high, glide in. Right, start off. Oh, where's she going? That's a cool way.
It's awesome, man.
Just dead quiet, eh? You wouldn't know it's coming.
You awake over there, Joe?
Oh, had to duck for that one. Oh, can't see the sun.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a low. One more flyby and then we'll... bring around for the landing. A little cocky here. Right, now the tricky bit, landing.
You have to go into the wind, mate?
Not today.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that was pretty cocked up, that one. The wind's got up a bit, eh? I could go into the wind. The wind's got up there.
Yeah.
Still too high, really.
Yeah, way too high.
Ah, not lining up good enough, eh?
Oh!
Delete that bit.
Yes! We got a crash, Joe!